Oh, Uncle Nudge here. Doing a follow-up video. About 2.5 years ago, Italian John and I were just up checking out a spot, and I came across this boulder. My belly was about like this, and my hair was really long. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I see John 100 yards away. I says, come over here. I says, look down. And he saw this, and his mouth just dropped open. And I'm like, I gotta see if I can get this out of here. Look at that. Look at the colors. This isn't even in the sunlight or anything. And so, anyway, he filmed me carrying it out, and didn't catch all of it, or maybe some of the footage got lost. But anyway, we finally got together on the footage, and so I'm doing this follow-up. And I weighed it, and it's 92.4 pounds. So it was a pretty good load getting it out of there. Actually feels pretty good.
This is the film of epic red jasper, soon to be on National Geographic. And YouTube.
That's in the shade, you should see it in the sun. So it's going to go that way. Don't want to forget this. Here comes the sunshot.
Whoa.
That's what I call Ferrari red. Now I'm going to carry it maybe all the way over. Be right behind it, maybe.
Holy sh! That was a squat. That was a leg. That was
a step.
that to be able to step up with that. Yeah. That's a lot of bike riding there and sh.
Almost there.
I can't believe it was that easy for you. It's way easier for you than I thought it would be.
Anyway, kind of fun to get a follow-up video here, and just a beautiful boulder. So cool in the sun. But yeah, so that's kind of the story. So Uncle Nudge, till next time.